Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an electric cordless scrubber, and it's by a company called Homeika. This is the box that it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you're going to get all the parts and pieces you need. So first off, you are going to get a user manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over all the features right here in the video. Now, they are also going to include this little stand here to basically hold up the cleaning device itself if you wish. You can utilize that and install that. And then it's going to come with 4 different brush heads. And so each brush head has its own little purpose. So first off, you're going to have this kind of like corner brush, which is great for getting basically any corner. So if you're wanting to clean the tile line in your shower or your tub, this is going to be perfect for that. Then you're going to get this nice big dome here. This is great for cleaning basically uneven surfaces. You can kind of work the corners, work the different surfaces itself. A great nether brush itself. And then you are going to get a small flat head. So this is perfect for cleaning either like your cooktop, or if you're wanting to clean maybe the grill or a shower head, or just basically tight areas. And then the one I like the most here is the one I have on the device, which is the large flat head. So this is just basically designed, I use it as the general purpose one. It can clean multiple surfaces, like if you're cleaning all your tile walls, this is super easy to use. Now, these are very easy to change off. All you do is you simply pull them off and they're good. You'll notice on the back side, there's 2 little notches. Just line up the notches and then push, and then that's it. That's all it is to utilize. And then they stay on. You know, they don't fall off or anything like that. They're nice and secure. So very easy to swap out when you are doing various cleaning and utilize the different brushes. It's not a pain to change. So another nice feature I like. And then as you can see, here is the wand itself. So it is nice and long. When you have it in this configuration, to give you an idea of the length, this is approximately 35 inches long. There is a little thing here that allows you to basically keep extending it. If you fully extend this guy, it moves up to 47 inches long. Now, if you don't want to have it like this and you want to make it even shorter, you can configure it down to where it's only 24 inches. So pull the little button, pull off the wand part, you can move the middle piece, and then attach the 2 end ones, and now it is like a handheld device right here, easy to maintain and utilize without the extender. So the extender is basically great for the floors because it's not going to keep you from bending over. But if you're doing more like walls or something like that, and you don't need the length, then this version is really nice to utilize. Now, the brush head itself does rotate at a 45-degree angle. So once again, it's comfortable to hold. You can either rotate it or you can keep it straight. So if you're doing the wall, you have it straight. But if you're cleaning the floor, you basically kick out the edge, and then this arm has a nice, comfortable holding position. Power button is right there in the center. As far as the top, it does have little kind of indentions for your finger, so it's easy to grip. And then on the back side, there's a little kind of clear plastic. In there is where you are going to plug it in to charge it up with the USB Type-C plug that it comes with. Now, to give you an idea of the battery hour of this thing, it's going to run for about 90 minutes. It only has 1 speed. And when you need to fully charge it, if the battery is completely dead, it's going to take about 3.5 hours. So usually the battery doesn't fully die on me. So I just usually, once I use it, I plug it in. So that way I know it's always good to go for the next cleaning job. As far as that motor that's running this thing, it does 380 RPM. So if that's important to you, it basically, to me, it says I can tackle those, the dirt, it can tackle the grease and this kind of the stains and the scum that shows up in the showers and things like that, which is really nice because you want to get rid of that soap scum. But overall, it's very easy to utilize. It's nice, basically, instead of just bending over and just manually scrubbing, this really helps. It's kind of like when you think about it, an electric toothbrush does a better job cleaning your teeth. Well, this is basically the electric toothbrush for your bathroom cleaning setup. So overall, if you're looking to make your life a little bit easier and cleaning around the house, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.